It's early morning and it's pouring. Oh God, may it be a beneficial rain cloud. The golden sun got up like a baby and started washing away all the rain. Like anything in life, weather is never predictable. Reno made the whole house smell like a bakery shop by making this magnificent tart for brunch. I have a sweet tooth, and I like it when I start my day with a sweet bite. I always seem to prefer something sugary, and my taste buds definitely agree. This tart was sweet and kinda sour, which was perfect. I felt glad for the sunlight, and glad for this piece of heaven, and glad for the warmth and calmness I felt that morning. Then I had two little guests, my nieces. Like their auntie, they're sweet lovers too. I enjoy sitting with them. We make fun conversations about literally everything. They share their likes and we laugh together at the things we hate. Rand, for example, my older niece, likes space so much. She wishes to be an astronaut one day. She thinks this tart looks like the galaxy somehow, and that little thought made her eat more. Rad, on the other hand, loves to laugh and tell jokes. She never fails to put a smile on my face, even when I'm at the peak of my unhappiness. She has a good sense of humor to someone at her age, and we love to make funny voices with our mouths following a certain tempo. It was a warm, peaceful, full of jokes and deliciousness morning. Now it's your turn to participate with your photos for my next video. Tag me in your photo of your favorite dessert at TSTS90 on Instagram, or you can DM me the photo directly and I will share them in my next video. Thank you for spending this morning with me.